Hey friends, wanted to tell you about these cells that a friend of mine has. He gave me a whole box of them. Um, they're pretty cool. It's a 25 amp hour prismatic cell. They're lithium iron phosphate LFP cells, and what's kind of cool about them is they're pretty small for a prismatic cell. Normally they're like 10 times as big for energy capacity. Um, and but also these are much bigger than a cylindrical cell, so it's kind of like a cool niche. It's kind of like right in between a small pack for like e-bikes and stuff, and then like a big pack for like a energy storage system for your home. But today I wanted to tell you about these cells and kind of see if there's people out there who have ideas for what to build with them. So I have a couple thoughts. Maybe a small 12-volt pack just to have something to like charge cell phones or something, or have some lighting. Um, Maybe an e-bike or like a three-wheel bike or something. This would be a good size for building a pack for that. But still could be used for a very large off-grid project, maybe 10, 20 kilowatt hours. So anyways, I wanted to see what you guys think. Would you guys want to use these cells? Is there anything that you'd want to build with them? Is there something I should build that you guys recommend? Share your ideas. Something crazy, something weird, something practical, something cool. Um, if I get some good ideas, maybe I'll build something and share a video about it. So let me know what you think. Put a comment in the video with your ideas. Let me know what you got. Again, I'm open to anything, so send some crazy ideas. Let's build something pretty fun, pretty cool. All right, thanks a lot. Like and subscribe.